and today we are continuing our Python series. So in previous video we saw how to take input from a user using console in Python, but we took only one input. Like this code will only take one input from user. But what if we have to take multiple inputs from user? So today we are going to talk about that. So let me first take a new file and I'm going to name it multiple input.py file. Let's say tutorial.py file. Okay. So there are two ways to take multiple input from console. The first one is split and second one is using list comprehension. So first let's talk about the split function. So let's say we want to take two inputs, let's say x and y, from our console. So if we use our previous video method and let's say we give a message to user, enter value of x and y, and if we going to print x comma y, and if we run this program, so let me open a terminal first, and to run any Python file we just need to do Python and name of that file, that is multiple input.py. And now if I enter the value like 1 and 2, so as you can see it is giving me error because it is considering that 1 2 as only a single input, not a multiple input. So to do that, what we can do is we can split this 1 2 into two input. So if I use split function dot split, and let me print a message here, value of x and y is x comma y. Okay, let's change our message that value of x is this, comma value of y is this. And now if I run my program, and if I, let's do one thing, let's give space here also. Now if I run my program, enter value of x and y, and now if I do 1 space 2, now it is going to print on right value. So value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. And like we can take as many input by using this method. Like if we want to take a third input, then also we can do that. So for that we can do enter value of x, y and z. Okay, and here we can do value of z is z. So now if I print that 1 2 3, so it is going to give me value of x is 1, value of y is 2, value of z is 3. So this was using our split function. So what split is doing, it is splitting your values using spaces. So that is using split function. Now I'm going to tell you how to use list comprehension to take multiple input. Okay. So list comprehension is mostly same as this only, but instead we are just like taking input as list. So and like we are converting input to list. So now if I take this same input as list, so what I need to, that is comprehension. So what I need to do is I can just do xyz equal to, so I am going to create a list and I am going to run a for loop. for value in input, please enter three values. Dot split. So what list comprehension means is we are going to comprehend over all these values that are input, inputted by user. And we can just do is int of x, int of value. And now if I print value of xyz, so let me run this function python multiple to py. If I enter three values 1, 2, 3, so it is going to give me correct output 1, 2, 3. So like these both are giving me same output. So there are two methods, one using split method and second using list comprehension. But the use of list comprehension is we can store input as list also. So like if I just do this x, so it is going to return me an list. So print x. So like if we are unsure like how many values are going to be there, so we can just use list comprehension so that we can enter as many values as we want. So like if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is going to give me a list. I know this list comprehension is little too much for now, but we are going to like talk about this in detail in our next videos. So I hope you like my this video, and if you have liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.